I love nature very much. Every day I am thinking about nature. Nature is always be a part of our life. Nature is very important if alive. We are alive just because of nature. Do not tell anyone about its secret. It's up to us to make the environment clean and safe for future generations. Nature teaches to love. Look deep into the nature, and then you will understand everything better. If you really think the environment is less important, then the economy try to holding your breath while you can count your money. If you truly love the nature, you will find the beauty of everywhere. The nature always wears the colors of spirit. Nature is pleased with simplicity, and nature is not dummy. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Leave the roads. Take the trials. My wish is to stay always like this, living quiet in a corner of nature. Thank you so much for watching this video.